Hello everyone, so Brian and I are updating our room a little bit. We had gone to IKEA and I wanted to show you guys what we found. So there's this Neiman plug-in sconce, which I really like. It is plain white, very, very tiny, and it has like a Vitra-esque look to it, very Scandinavian, contemporary, and simple, but I just really liked how it was slightly adjustable, and you can mount it like a wall sconce. So we need some tools. We have a laser leveler, and then we have a drywall anchor with a screw included. A rubber mallet. We have a cordless drill, some drill bits to go along with it, and painter's tape. Always need painter's tape. And a Brian in my case. So my Brian is leveling out where the sconces are going to flank the bedside. And we live in a high-rise building, so it's above 6 floors, and code-wise you need to have metal studs with a building like that. So we don't want to puncture through the metal studs because we don't have metal stud screws, so we don't want to hit those at all. So we're looking to just use the drywall screws. So Brian is taking the back of the plate that you mount the lighting with and just putting the painter's tape over it and puncturing some holes. It's kind of like the quick and lazy way to measure in between to place the screws. So we're just going to place that where we want the screw holes to go. So we can add the drywall anchor with the screw. So we're going to we're gonna put a hole through the wall.
Hey, Brian here. I'm gonna take over from here. Sounded like Amanda needed a coffee. So this is painter's tape. Boom, gone. Not sure why it stuck so hard on that drywall, but I got some drywall anchors with a screw in it. So I'm just hammering these in with a rubber mallet, and how these engage is if you turn it clockwise. Just if you're fastening a screw, you keep turning it clockwise until you can no longer turn it. And what that does, it actually engages the anchor on the back end of the drywall. And then from there you can back out the screw and do whatever you need to do with it. In this case, I took it all the way out because the sconce has this plate that you can use to make the installation a little bit easier on you. So this is the back plate, just hooking it up, and then try to make sure that it was level. The laser level is not the best, but it does the job. I don't need it to be perfect. I'm not sure how accurate this is. I did some testing with it, and it really wasn't that accurate, to tell you the truth. Finally finished it, putting it back in, and then you just snap in the fixture, the small fixture, and that's pretty much it. Nice and clean and easy, and it was fun to put together. All right, I'm gonna bring the mic back to Amanda.
Hey guys, back now, got some coffee. I just wanted to share also the pillows that we purchased for a pseudo backboard. We didn't want a real backboard, we just wanted something really light, so we went for these 3 massive pillows from Target by Casa Luna, and then we have 2 other pillows from Opal House. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you thought it was awesome. Subscribe for more videos, and head over to Designer Soup Instagram for more content like this.